Hello, good morning everyone. Today I have this it's a Volkswagen Tiguan 2017. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay, first you need to open the plate and turn it around. Okay, hold like that, yeah. You need to push this cover. You need to push this cover open. Okay, you just push it open like that. Yeah. See, we have this CR2025 battery. Okay, once it's open, just use the flat screwdriver. Yeah, just split it like that. Yeah. Okay, now it's open, and then put new battery in. The battery go in like that. Yeah, go in this like that. Okay, just press it in, and then put the cover back on. Okay, this side go in first. Yeah. Okay, that's it. It's very simple. It's a Tiguan, Volkswagen Tiguan 2017. Yeah, 2017. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.